Hello guys, in this video we'll be explaining the installation process for the React Native maps. So let's get started. I will start by showing you a guide that I followed to install this, because there is something missing here in this installation guide. So we need to do extra steps in order to solve this. So I will show you that. So let me look for that. I forgot, where is that? Yeah, it's a gist. It's a gist that writing for someone else, for another user. Yeah, so the first step is just to install the dependencies, of course, the dependency. After that, you need to edit the build Gradle file. So let's take a look at this file. Okay, yeah. You need to change the class path because before, by default, when you create the first time you create the boilerplate using React Native init command, you will get this version. By default, you will get this version. So the first thing that we need to do is this line of code. We need to use the version 3.0.1. Also, we need to add this call. This is Google. It's like a function call. I'm not sure because I'm not a Java developer, so yeah. Sorry if I'm talking about something that is not true. So okay, Gradle. So the other step to change is this one. So let me open. I wanna show you something. Yeah. So by default, you will get this version, the version 2.14.0.1. Sorry. Yeah, that's the default version. You need to change that version to use the version 4.1, right? So that's the other change that you need to do here. And also you need to edit the settings Gradle file here. You need to add these two lines of code here. You have to add those line of code before this line, before the include app statement. So yeah, that's the other change that you need to do. Let me remove this. Okay, what else? Android. Okay, let me open this. Okay, yeah. So let's open this. So by default, you get a compile SDK version and build tools version. You get another different versions by default. So let's open here the same file. And as you can see, by default we get the 23 version, and also this one 23.0.1 version. So yeah, that's the other change that you need to do. You need to change these two versions. Also, there's another thing that you need to do. This one, you need to change the compile version here, because by default we have the 23.0.1, right? So we need to change that as well. So let me minimize this window. Let's keep going. What else we need? Okay, and also the API key. So remember that we need to go here. We need to go here to this page, and also you have to create a project. Remember to create a project. After you create a project, you just select the project that you just created here. For example, I created this project, and I just click on the next button. Yeah, it will start generating the API key for you. What else? So let's wait a little bit. Yeah, you have your API key ready to use right now. So let's go to the Android manifest. Remember to pull all of this code, because by default you will not have that meta tag. So as you can see, let's open the Android manifest here. Android manifest. Yeah, there is no meta tag there. So you need to add the meta tag that is in the document. So here you can just copy and paste the meta tag, and here you just need to replace this key by your API key. That's all. That's the other change that we need to do here in the Android manifest, right? So let's keep going. What else we need here? Okay, we need to come here to the main application file, and the first thing that you need to do is to copy this line of code. You need to import the maps package library. Also, you need to add this line of code. You need to call this package. Okay, what else? Yeah, that's basically what you just need to follow. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to install that in my Android device, but I couldn't find anything. But I found this small guide, and thanks to that, I just run the maps, the Google Maps in my device. So yeah, that was the installation process. So let me take a look. So there's another thing that you need to keep in mind. If you right now run this in an Android emulator, the Android emulator will not show the map. You will see something like, let me show you here. There is an issue here that you can follow. I tried many things, but I'm still no able to see the map, even making all of this stuff that they just recommend you to do, but I'm not still able to see that. So whenever I run the Google Maps package within my Android emulator here in the Android Studio, I get a screen like this one, a gray Google Maps with a gray screen. So I don't know why. Maybe it's a bug in the Android emulator. So what I did was to run this project. Let's run this. What I did was just to run this project in my real device. I just plug in my real device to my computer by USB cable. Yeah, here as you can see, it is compiling the Google Maps, and it is starting the application. And as you can see, we have something here. And this hello is because I was trying something in the map, because I'm planning to do something here. So yeah. So let me show you the hello. So the hello that you are seeing in the screen or watching the screen is this one. So yeah, that was basically pretty much the installation process. Yeah, hopefully it will help you a lot. That's the purpose of this video. So yeah, as you can see, we can see the map, and we can move the map here and see another places, and it's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's working. So yeah, that was the video. See ya, guys. Thank you for